Hey everyone, I'm so glad you're here. If you've been wanting to try out Binance but weren't sure where to start, I'm going to make this as easy as possible for you today. We're going to get you set up on the world's largest exchange in just a few minutes. Go ahead and click that link in the description or comments below to get started. It'll take you right to the sign up page. Plus, if you use my link, you get a 50% fee payback and $600 in rewards, which is a nice little welcome gift. Once you have opened the page, let's create the account. Proceed with signing up using your email or mobile phone. Just type in the email you want to use, check the agree to the terms, and click continue. You'll get a 6-digit code in your email. Just pop that in, click continue. Set a password with at least one number and one uppercase letter, and you're all finished with step 1. Your account is now complete. If prompted for an inviter code, ensure it is entered and finish your registration. The next step is KYC identity verification. This is a requirement for depositing and trading on the platform. Because a facial scan is required, we will continue this process using your mobile phone. Open the Binance app and log in. You will be directed to the verification screen. Confirm your nationality and select your preferred ID. Whether you choose a resident registration card, national ID, driver's license, or passport, it will be processed within 5 minutes, so just proceed with the most convenient one you have right now. Select Take Pictures as the method for submitting photos and click Continue. Take a picture of the front and back of your ID, fitting it into the camera frame. Fit your face into the oval frame and follow the instructions. Once you finish the facial scan, confirm your additional personal information such as name, date of birth, and address, then click Continue. Select your occupation and click Continue. Lastly, pick your industry and click Continue. The review will take about 5 minutes, and you can verify that your KYC verification is complete on your profile screen. Next, let's set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. Return to the PC screen and click Security under Account in the left menu. Click Manage next to the Authenticator app. When you click Enable Authenticator app, a verification code will be sent to your email or mobile phone. Enter the sent verification code and a QR code window will appear. Leave this as it is for a moment and let's download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Once the installation is complete, click the Open button to run the app and click Get Started at the bottom. Click Use Without Signing In for security reasons and click the Add a Code button in the middle. Click Scan a QR code. When you scan the QR code on the PC screen, a 6-digit OTP code for Binance will be generated. Go back to Binance and click Next. Enter the 6-digit numeric code generated in the Google Authenticator app and click Submit. You can now confirm that the Google OTP is activated. Your account is now secure and fully operational. This concludes the setup guide. If you found this information useful, a like would be appreciated. Thank you for watching and enjoy your trading.